Hey, this is Tyler with Dieselgeek, and this video is a short introduction to our Billet side-to-side reduction bracket for 2008 and newer 6-speed cars. Our kit offers numerous improvements over the factory plastic bell crank. Instead of the pivot tube riding directly in the transmission housing, with no bushings and loose tolerances, we use a stainless steel pivot pin here with the same bushings we use on our Sigma Shift kits. We also include a pair of perfect pivot bushings, which eliminate all of the end float out of the side-to-side cable end. And we have a special version of our Super Slider, which provides a zero end float interface between our billet side-to-side bracket here and your factory style front-to-back bracket. This kit offers a 20% reduction in throws over stock and is a perfect complement to any car running a OE style front-to-back bracket, front-to-back shifter with a 14mm space here between the jaws of the channel for the slider. Also included in the kit is our 5mm adjustment pin, so you can really dial the adjustment once you've got this installed. That's about it.